Snoring almost did irreversible damage to my body. I would wake up feeling tired, my blood pressure was rising. I visited my cardiologist, who warned me that it all traced back to my sleep. He recommended the Somnofit-S from SnoreLessNow. The first night I used it, my wife noticed an immediate difference in my snoring. I slept through the night, and so did she. After using it for 3 months, I'm getting the best sleep of my life, enjoying my health, and finally keeping up with my kids. You're doing yourself a disservice if you snore and haven't tried the Somnofit-S.